Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I have brought a fantastic riddle for you. Kasauti puzzle. I hope you will like it. But you don't have to only like it, but you have to use your brain and show your smartness and be wise and answer my this riddle in the comment section, obviously. So the riddle is very interesting. There was a man. He was just enjoying the rain. Okay, neither he had umbrella nor he had any overcoat. Just he was dripping with water. He was all wet. Like water everywhere. Even then, he did not have the umbrella. He did not have overcoat, and he was all wet. Even then, not a single hair of his head was wet. Why? How is this possible? You have to answer. I'll be waiting for your brilliant answer.